A critical point is a special moment in a function. The moment where the function stops changing normally and begins to change the direction. Every curve tells a story. Sometimes it rises, sometimes it falls, but occasionally, everything stops. And for one tiny instant, changes direction. Local maximum. The graph rises upward, reaches a highest point, and then begins to fall. This turning point is called a local maximum. The graph moves downward, reaches its lowest point, and then rises again. This is called a local minimum. Stationary inflection point. Here the slope becomes zero, but the graph does not change direction. It continues moving upward. Sharp corner critical point. At this point, the graph forms a sharp edge. The derivative does not exist here, yet it is still a critical point. Multiple critical points. This function contains more than one turning point. One behaves like a maximum, and the other behaves like a minimum. These examples show that critical points can appear in many different forms. Consider the function f of x equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2. After differentiating and solving, we get two critical points, x equals 0 and x equals 2. These are the points where the function changes behavior or changes direction.